All right, so you are welcome to Zoe Forest Academy. All right, I'm Samuel Mapai, the CEO of Zoe Forest Academy. All right, so this is lesson two, and in our lesson two, we'll be talking about the use of empty phone on your phones and on your PC. How do you use your empty phone on your phone on your PC? And also, we'll talk about how to customize your empty phone either on your phones or on your PC, and also how to link your demo account or your live account to your empty port. Alright, and also talk about the relationship between your beer and your cream, and also we'll talk about the currency pair. Alright, so uh, quickly let us talk about in lesson one we discussed about how to open a demo account, and I hope you have not forgotten. All right. So once you open a demo account, automatically you have an information like this on your email. You see something like authorized demo account open. If you don't know how to open a demo account, go to lesson one and watch it again. It gives you guidelines on how to open a demo account. All right. So you receive this mail on your email that contains your account number, your trader's password, your investor's password, and all of this. The major important thing here is just your account number, trader's password, investor's password, and server. Account number is your login, while your trader's password is your password you're going to use. Investor's password is, for example, so there are other ways to make money in Forex apart from trading. Right? We also call investment opportunity or hedge funds. What does it mean? It means that some people can give you a particular amount of money to trade, all right, and you return the money with a particular amount of interest. Right? So if the person wants to see what you are doing from wherever the person is, give the person the account number, that's the login, and this investor's password. So the person can view what you are doing from any part of the world. Right, but the person cannot alter or do anything on what you are doing. You can only view and see what you are doing. That's all. Why you make use of your this your account number and put that password and server. Right. So you come to your okay. Now I told you that uh, you should download your MT4 on your mobile phones and on your PC, and I hope you have done that, right? And if you have done that, automatically you will have something like this. So automatically you have something like this, right, on your screen, right? While you have other icons, you minimize them. Are you gonna have something like this? Right? You just minimize other icons around it. The one here, the one here, the one here, and you minimize the one of it as well. Right? So that's the first thing you're gonna do. The next thing you're gonna do is that you're gonna customize. You can log in, link your demo account and your live account to this principal. That's the next thing you're gonna do. Right? Then you come to file, and that file you come to log into trade accounts. Then you can do the login here. Right? Your server, you can see uh, your server here. You can see that you copy it. You copy it and paste it here. And you know your login. You come to this your email again. Account number is your login. You copy it here. All right. And your password, your trader's password is your password. You copy it. You can see, copy it and paste it. You paste it here and then you log in. That's how you log in. That's how you log in. After you've done that, right? Automatically you have something like this. Once you have something like this, that okay, something like everything is connected. Then you logged in already, and you're going to customize this chart, right? Well, of course, in Forex, we all call the bull and the bear. So I think that Forex is all about exchange of currency, also known as foreign exchange. That means the relationship between currency pair, for example, euro versus USD. Alright, we don't talk in terms of country name, we talk in terms of currency name. Alright, for example, you want to refer to Nigeria in foreign exchange, we refer to Nigeria as a naira in their currency name. So that's why we say euro versus US dollar. So now it is this transaction that goes on between these two currency pair. That we call foreign exchange. So Now, what we have now, we are having EUSD. We have so many of that like that. So now I'm going to tell you how to pick them. We have USD CHF, we have USD JPY, USD CHF, USD JPY, that's US dollar versus Japanese yen. We have so many of them, and there's so many. So we have EUD USD, that's Australian dollar versus USD dollars, US dollars, and the last like that. So, uh, what's the next thing you're going to do here? You're going to customize this chart. Like I said, we have our bears and our bull. The candle, these are candles, all right? Call it Japanese candles. All right, the one going up is called your bull, the one coming down is called your bear. The one going up show that the market is buying, the one coming down show that the market is selling. All right, sorry, hope we are together. The candle going up shows that the market is buying, the one coming down shows that the market is selling. All right, so you customize it. How do you do? You right click, you come to properties, then you can come and customize here, right? Either you can use a white color, you can use a black color here. While your bar, the major thing here is your bar up. The bar up is the one going up. That's the candle going up, you use your blue. The bar down is the candle going down, and you use your red. Then, alright, in our company, we make use of blue and red. For the candle going up, you use blue. Candle coming down, use red. For the bull, that is the candle going up as well, use your blue. And for the candle coming down is your beer, use your red. That's all you need to change here. Other one you can use any others, you can use any color. You can use any color. So you just after you make it to appear automatically like this, you can see that to appear automatically like that. You can see that. So the candle going up now is our blue, all the candle coming down is our red, is our beer. Now after you've done that, all right, you have to save the customized chart you did. You come to this place, see template, you see save template. You can customize if anything, you can customize with one. Alright, so you have customized this charts with one. Right, so automatically you have it here. That's it, one. So this is a customized chart. Alright, so after you've done this, you once you want to pick other peers, because it's not your USD alone you trading, you can trade other peers. Come to this place, you can see you have under Forex, you have so many of them. If yours is not as complete as this, you just come to this place, market watch. You have clicked, then you see show all. You click on show all. Click on show all. Right, so once you click on show all, automatically to appear, all this will appear here now. Right, so you can trade your Forex, under Forex, you have so many pairs, so many GBB, so many of them, so many, so many, so many, so many. The one you cannot see, one you cannot find here, you can come and have them here. For example, now maybe I now find GBBCHF. I just click on it automatically to appear here. You can see I use it. This is GBCHF. But to appear like this, what do? I will come to my template, the one I saved, one. And see, let's go. That's it. So that is how to. So you don't have to customize again when you open other peers, right? You just have to come to this your template, the one you saved, you click on it automatically to appear like this, and I hope that is clear about how to customize and how to link your demo or your live account to your MT4 via your PC using your desktop or your personal computer. So that's another thing. I also want to talk about look at all these icons. Let's talk about them by them. All right, these are your templates. This is your call this one time frame. All right. It's also here as well. You can see it 1 minute, 5 minutes. All right. 1 minute to 30 minutes is also is known as your lower time frame, while 1 hour to monthly time frame known as your higher time frame. Of course, you know what happened in 1 minute has not happened in 5 minutes, has not happened in 15 minutes, has not happened in 30 minutes, like that, like that, like that, like that, like that. So, but from lower time frame is your 1 minute to 30 minutes, or your higher time frame is your 1 hour to monthly time frame. This is monthly time frame, this is weekly, this is daily, this is 4 hours, this is 1 hour, this is 30 minutes, this is 15 minutes, this is 5 minutes, this is 1 minute. All right. So now how do you understand this? Now we use our higher time frame to view the market structure. I will talk about that more detail in our lesson 3, right, about market structure. Right. So we use our higher time frame to view our market structure and use our lower time frame to enter the market and take our profits as a day trader. Who's the day trader? The one that makes profit per day. So the major time frame is going to be this of as a day trader is your 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, and the one. That's all. These are the four time frames we make use of as a day trader. But we use our higher time frame to view the market structure while we do our analysis and make decision in lower time frame and take our profits. So that's about time frame. Of course, it's happens sequentially. What happened in 1 minute has not happened in 5 minutes, has not happened just like that. So like 5 minutes from now, 10 minutes from now, 10 minutes from now, 1 hour from now, day one, weekly, like that, like that, like that. So that's about that. This is your indicators. These are technical tools in many directions. I'm going to make use of in many direction of the market. We'll talk about that in our subsequent lessons. This is where you zoom the candles, right? And some people want to check what called candlestick pattern. We'll talk about that in our subsequent lessons. So this is where you view the candle pattern. But this is the best view to make use of to do your analysis. All right. I think that these candles are not moving forward. It's not moving forward. So you click on this place, push it back. The same thing here. I think it's not moving forward. You click on this place, push it back. I see that. So once your candle, your own chart is like this, it's not moving forward. Just click on this place, moving back. And if your chart is like it's looking like this, you click on this full candle. Or if it's looking like this, you click on this full candle. Alright, so these are your other peers that are not here. If you don't have them here, you can add them here, you can add them up here, and they automatically appear beneath this chart. This is just your we call it timer, just your time analysis, the sellers, the buyers, and all that. Do what the buyers is. If the candle is going up, it's referred to as a bull candle. So that the market is buying, and if you pair EOUS is buying, and if these candles are coming down, so that EOUS is what is selling. Alright, so that's about the way. Just videos thing. I think you need your okay. All this one is just to pick the prices in the market. Pick your entry, your pick profit, your stop loss. All these things are called prices. These are the price of the market. Right. So this is where these are easy. You're going to use this plus sign to pick your entry, you pick your stop loss, pick your full profit, and all of that. Right. And these are also indicators you need use of. The market, this is new orders. This is where you place your order. For example, you are giving a support signal on EURUSD, maybe on GBP now. Or you want to place your order using your PC. Click on new order. This is volume is called your lot size. Your lot size is what determines your profit or your loss in the market, all right? Once you are not using a reasonable or a well managed risk managed lot size, you are exposing your capital to danger. So I encourage my students to divide their capital by 10,000. That is your lot size. That's the lot size you make use of. For example, you are using $100, you are bringing $100 into the market as your investment, as your portfolio, divided by 10,000, that is 0.01. That is going to be your lot size. And it helps you manage your risk right in the markets. Although I'm going to talk more about that in risk and portfolio management and subsequent lessons. I'll talk more of that. So how to use your loss as a calculate the profit you are likely to make in the trade and the losses you are likely to make in the trade. Know that every trade you take, you are able to either make profit or to make losses. So the loss size helps you to know. You can also use your life to calculate the profit you are likely to make and the losses you are likely to make in a particular trade. So it's very good. I encourage my students not to risk more than 5% of their portfolio in every single trade. So this is your lot size. So if you are using $200, use 0.02, $1,000, 0.1, $2,000, 0.2, $10,000, 1.0, $5,000, 0.5, and the like, and the like, and the like, like that. All right. So then your stop loss. Your stop loss is the price you are going to exit the market with a loss. For example, you predicted that the market is going to buy and the market went against your direction, went against your prediction. So you are saying that, oh, once you get to this social price, take me out of the market with loss. That's what your stop loss. Don't be giving your stop loss, don't be giving 0.something like that. All right, take profits. All right, maybe you also take profit means the price you are going to exit the market with profit. Maybe if the market go in your direction or go in your favor, right? Take profit is the price you are going to exit the market with profit, right? And of course, this we call it orders in the market. We have 5 orders in the market. We have market execution, we have buy limit, sell limit, sell stop, buy stop, and all of that. So, all right, we're going to talk about this more detail in lesson 3. For example, you are given 20 orders. By giving them a buy stop. click on buy store, you are giving a buy limit, click on buy limit. What is this price? Price means your entry, you also known as your entry price. That means the price you are entering the market for what? For a buy. You click on place, that's it. That's how to place order using a support signal. You know, it's going to give you a signal. But the key is we use our now, you will be taught on how to do analysis to generate signals. But plenty of time you're going to be learning that. If you want to be using our support signal, to make profit, these are the way easy way you're going to do it. Just come to your signal room, you pick orders like this. You're going to be giving your orders. You should usually be buy limits, sell limits, buy stock, sell stock. Then you give me your stop loss. Then you call it SL. Then you give me your take profit. I call it TP. You're not going to be giving your lot size. You are expected to know what lot size to use based on the capital you are running with. Or I'm going to be given the price to enter the market and place it automatically to be what placed. And if it is Euro USD, you are giving a signal home. Come to Euro USD, then come to a new order. That's all about that. All right. So let's talk about. I think I make emphasis on all of that. Let's talk about this. This is Fibonacci. So I don't worry when in our subsequent class we talk about how to use the use of Fibonacci. It's also a technical tools in one direction of the market. All right. So after you've done that, next thing you have to understand here is this, your peers. Right. All these are currency pair. Right. Even USD, Euro is the base, while uh, the USD is the quoted pair. Alright, the first one is always the base, the second one is always the replicated pair. Alright, so we have the base and the quotes. Alright, so the first one, Euro is the base, USD is what? Quote for GBP CHF now. Well, that's the Great Britain pound versus Swiss francs. Alright, GBP is the what? Is the base, while CHF is the what? Is the quote. Right, for Euro GBP now. Euro is the what? Is the base, GBP is the what? The quotes, right? I know that is clear. So the first one is always the base currency, the second one is always the what. But for Euro, this card now, Euro is the what? The base, that card is what? Is the quoted pair. All right. So I want to understand that. For example, Euro USD is selling. You can see that its candles are coming down, and shows that it's selling. That is what USD is selling Euro. Now, let me explain this. The base is always going to buy the quotes, while the quote always sell the base. Euro versus USD now. Euro is the base, USD is the quote. If the candle is going up, it shows that Euro is buying USD. And if the candle are coming down, it shows that USD is selling Euro. You can see that. So the base buys the quote, while the quote sell the what? The base. That means the prices is coming down when the candles are coming down, the price are going up when the candles are going up. I'm going to talk about the prices. What means the prices come down, the rise? It's all about, like I said, it's all about demand and supply. And I'm going to talk about how to identify your demand supply region or supply zone. All right. So we'll talk about all of this in our subsequent lessons. All right. So for this lesson too is just to show us what uh, all we need to understand about how to link our demo account or live account to your empty phone, either your phone or your PC. This for your PC now, and how to identify your BS and your book, you know your BS and your book, and you know how to customize your empty phone, your PC, and how to save it, and how to bring in other what's it called, other PS that you want to see on your screen below your charts. I hope you have this clear. So our assignment now is this: you're going to download after you download the empty on your PC, you're going to customize it. You're going to link your demo account that you've created. You're going to link it to your empty phone, your PC, and you can forward it to your coach. Everybody, because everybody have a coach that follows up your progress, so you can be sure that you've done the right thing. All right. So that's going to be your assignment after this lesson. All right. And I've told you how to place orders on your PC using your support signal. Now, like I said, in introduction to Forex trade, the first material you read, we have talked about types of market. We have London market, we have New York market, we have Asian market. London market opens from 8 to 4, that's Nigerian time, and New York market opens from 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. And Asian market opens from 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. For London market is basically your USD. Any pair with USD or as the London market opens in London market And every pair opens the New York market. That's 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. And Asian market is basically your NZD, AUD, JPY, CHF. And I hope that's clear. So any pair with AUD, any pair with NZD, any pair with JPY, any pair with CHF, falls under the category of Asian market, which opens from 10 p.m. to 6 p.m. Nigerian time. And I'll talk about our lower time frame and higher time frame. Higher time frame is for viewing the market structure, while lower time frame is where you enter the market and make your profit, or as a day trader. And all that's clear about. So if you're not too clear about what you've just done, just watch the video again. Of course, we have clear. And if you have any question for us, can always send it to the group, the general group, or forward it to your coach. And I'm going to give you proper answers for that. And I hope that's clear. So in lesson, I'm going to bring in one of our uh, coach, one of our staff. We'll be talking about we'll be talking about how to use your empty phone, your PC, your mobile phones. We're going to talking about how to use your PC and your mobile phones. How to customize, how to connect your demo account to your empty phone, your phones on your mobile phones, and how to place order using your mobile phone. I told you that we use our empty phone and our PC basically to do analysis and generate signals. For better, how we use the one on our phone to place order, take our profits, and follow our trade. So, for example, if I'm not on my screen now, please follow my trade using your mobile phone. So it's convenient to use your phone to place order, take your profits, or follow your trade using your phone if you are not on the screen. But if you are on the screen, you can do everything on your smartphone, like the way I showed you earlier. So that's about that. So that's the use of your empty phone, your phone, and they both serve the same purpose. For better view and bigger view, we use our PC to do our analysis or our technical analysis. So now we use our phone to place orders, follow our orders, close our market, close our profits. Alright, if we are not on the screen. Right, so that is all about that. So both MT4 on both devices is important. If you are not with your PC, you can use your phone. If you are with your PC, you can use both. When you go to your analysis on your PC and you place your order on your phone, and that's about the way. So let me take Mr. Jacob on board to show us how to use our MT4 on our mobile phones. Mr. Jacob, you're welcome.
All right, good evening, guys. My name is J Boy. Like our boss have said, same way we have MT4 on our system, we also use it on our phone. Now, how do we download MT4 on our phone? Mind you, everyone has opened an account with Hot Forex. You log into your Hot Forex. That's the first thing you are going to do. You log into our Hot Forex. Let me share my screen. Very good. This is my screen. Go to your Chrome. This is my Hot Forex account. Log in direct from your Chrome. You don't need the apps anyway. You don't need Hot Forex app. Just use your Chrome. Now, this is my Hot Forex account. Now, once you log in, you click on this three icon here. This three icon here. So this three line. Click on it. Once we click on it, it will take us to menu. Then you click on my account. Now, under my account, you see open a trading account. No, before that, you want to download MT4. Sorry, you go to platforms here. You go to platform. You click on platform. Now, under platforms, it will show MT4 for desktop, MT4 for mobile trading, MT4 for web terminals, and the likes. Now, you are using a mobile phone. You click on MT4 for mobile trading. Now, once you click on it, it will load. Now, if you are an Android user, you have MT4 for Android user. If you are using iPhone, MT4 for iPhone user. If you are using iPad, you click MT4 for iPad. But for the sake of this class, I'm using iPhone. So you click on MT4 for iPhone. Immediately you click on it, it will automatically direct you to your Play Store. You direct it to your Play Store, then you download your MT4 straight away. MT4 for Android here. That is if you are using Android and if you are using iPhone, it's same procedure. That is that on how to download your MT4. Now your MT4 will look like this. This is my MT4 here. This is my MT4. It looks like this in your phone. Now once you are done downloading it, you open it. You open it straight up. Now once you open your MT4, your chart will look like this for a beginner. The chart will look like this. It looks like black. You don't actually know what is going on. Like the boss have said, when a candle is going up, that is the market is buying. And when a candle is coming down, that is the market is selling. Now, with this chart, we can differentiate the market that is buying and the market that is selling. Now, what are we going to do? We have to customize our MT4. Customize your MT4 to differentiate a buying candle and a selling candle. And to do that, you come to these three icons here by your left hand side here. You can see base. You go to settings. This is my settings. Click on settings. Now under my settings, I will try and look for colors. Customize color scheme. You click on customize color scheme. Now it brings all this blah blah blah. Now we only need to change 4 things here. 4 things. And what are they? Bar up. Bar up, that is something that is going up. Bar down, something that is coming down. Our bull candle. A bull means buy. And bear candle. Bear means sell. Now, what is our bar up? We are used to blue. We use blue for our bar up. We change it to blue. Our bar down, the candle that is coming down, we use red. We use red. For our bull candle, we also use blue. You can use any color you feel like using. It's a matter of choice, but we are used to blue and red. For a bear candle, we also use red. So the bear means sell. Now, once you change these 3 things, that's all. Then you click on done. Then you go back to your chart. And see, the chart will look like this straight away. Now, with this, okay, you know the candle that is buying, and you know the candle that is selling. From this place to this place, you can see we are seeing a blue candle, blue candle, blue candle. That is the market is buying. And from this spot now, we are seeing some red candle that is coming down, which indicates a sell. That is that. By the way, that is how to customize your chart. As simple as that. Now, you are done customizing your chart. You open Hot Forex with your broker, an account with your broker, which is Hot Forex. Now, the next thing you should do for a beginner, to open a demo account. You open a demo account with your broker, which is Hot Forex. Now, to do that, you go back to your Hot Forex account. Go back to your Hot Forex account here. Then you click on this, come to these 3 icons again. You click on these 3 icons. You click here. Then you go to my account. Now, under my account, we have opened a trading account. Mind you, if you want to start a live account, it's the same procedure. There's no difference. If you want to start a live account, you open trading account. But you want to start a demo account, you open a demo account. Now, to load, to bring stuff like this, your leverage. Oh, I think I opened a demo account recently. So I don't think I can open one again. But okay, to bring stuff like this, your leverage, no, your leverage should be 1 to 500. 1 to 500. Then your balance can be 5,000. The least we have there is $5,000. Then once you are done with that, you click on this little icon here. Click on this little icon. Then you click on open demo account. Once you are done with that, a message will be sent to your mail immediately. The message will be sent to your mail like this. Like, I think I opened the demo account not long. Now, this is my Gmail. Now, a message will be sent to your mail in this format. Your account number, which is your login details. Then your trader's password. It serves as your password. Then these are your server. Is very, very important. Very, very important. In fact, that's the first thing you should take note. Now, it will be in this format. Now, copy your server. What is my server name? This is my server name. My server name. Sorry. Copy it in this format. You need to be very careful when copying, not to copy another thing else. Otherwise, it will be giving you problems. Yeah. Good. Now I've copied my server. Now I will go straight to my MT4. Now under my MT4, all right, under my MT4, you click on these three icons again. Now you see manage account. I have a demo account on this phone before. Now you click on manage account. Now under manage account, you can add as many accounts as possible. Maybe you want to add your live account, you want to add your demo account, it's the same procedure. Now once you click on manage account, you display stuff like this. You click on this plus sign. That is, you want to add another account. Click on this plus sign. We have opened a demo account. Already we've opened a demo account and the details has been sent to our mail. You don't need to click on open demo account again. You click on login to an existing account. You click on login to an existing account and it will bring stuff like this. Find broker. What is our broker name? Which is Hot Forex. Remember, you've copied that from your server here. This is our server now. This is our server here. Hot Forex SV demo server. So you paste what you copy, paste it here, and to bring Hot Forex market SV demo server like this, as simple. Then you click on it. Then your login. What is your login? I said login is this your account number that is given to you here. You copy it like this. You copy it, then you paste it here straight away. Then my password. What is my password? Go to your mail again. This is your password, your trader password. KDAJM5DA. You can also copy that. Either you copy it or you write it out. Let me copy it. Copy it this way. Then I paste it here. This is my password. Then I click on sign in. Sign in. As simple as that. This is the new demo account I just opened. Oh, sorry, it says authorization failed. That means my password is not correct. That is why I say it's either you copy it or you write it out. So let me write it out and type it. I have KGAJ5DA. And then log in again. Very good. And see, the demo account has been opened straight away. Now you go back to your chart. Go back to your chart. Now this is my new balance. Your balance is your current the balance I'm having presently. Your equity, maybe when you start trading, your profit starts increasing. Your equity will be increasing also. So that is it on how to customize your charts and how to link your demo or live account from Hot Forex with your MT4. As simple as that. Now the next thing you should know is how to place order using a support signal. Now, as a beginner, you might not know how to generate a signal, but we have a signal rule that we give signal to our students. Once you are ready to trade, maybe when you are done with all the materials. Now, maybe a signal is given on Euro USD. Now, before that, let me quickly chip in this. Now, this quote, like boss have said, Euro USD, you know, Euro is the base. That is the first currency that is coming first. USD is the quote. USD JPY. USD is the base, JPY is the quote. Maybe I only have this list of pairs on my phone, but you can add as many as possible. You can add as many as possible. Maybe you want to add more, just click on this plus sign that you are seeing here. Click on it. Now, Forex. If you want to add maybe Forex, we have indices, we have oils. You can trade as many things as possible using your MT4. We have commodities, we have cryptos and the likes. Maybe I want to add more pairs to my pairs. You click on Forex. Now, I want to add AUD just click on them. That is it. Automatically, it has been added. When you go back to your chart, you can see them, it has been added. That is that. That is that. So maybe a signal is now given on Euro USD on how to place order. What you need to do is just click on Euro USD. Click it like this. You display new order, open chart, symbol property, advanced new mode. Now click on new order. Click on new order. Now the signal that is given to you, we have 5 kinds of trade. Maybe it will be explained better in the subsequent class. We have market execution. We don't use market execution as a trader. It's only for aggressive trader. We are not an aggressive trader, so we don't use it. So we give signal on buy limits, sell limits, buy stop, and sell stop. All this will be explained to you further. All this will be explained to you further. Now, maybe a signal is given that says buy stop Euro USD at what number? At so number. As a number is signal is just like a number. A figure will be a round figure will be given to you. So you click on buy stop. You click on buy stop here. Now, what is the number that was given? The number that is given is your price. Buy stop at what price? Your price will be here. Maybe at what price? Maybe 0.1, 0.1966, blah blah. Now you have entered the price here at the price you are buying. Now take profit. That is TP. Our TP is by the right. Now what is TP? Okay, this signal that has been given, when the signal start following my instruction or what I want you to do. Okay, when you get to this social place, please give me my profit. So your input your profit at your right hand side here. Then your stop loss. What is stop loss? Okay, maybe the signal is going against me. So when you get to this social level, please take me out of the market. Your stop loss will be by the left. Maybe our stop loss is given as maybe 0.155 blah blah. Then our take profit is given as 1 point. Sorry, given as we are recording this video during the weekend. Maybe 1.9, maybe let's say 999. So stuff like this. Now you've input the signal that is given to you. Then you click on place. As simple as that. As simple as that. You click on place, and once you click on place, it will take you into the signal. As simple as that. So that is how to place an order using your support signal. Maybe in the long run, you still explain how to, maybe you want to, the market hasn't gotten to your take profit. You want to close the order yourself. The same way, just click on the signal that you have been given. Yeah, I think I don't have any order. We explain that on the long run. I explain that now. So that's how to place your order using your support signal. Now, the last but not the least, the same way we analyze the market using our system, we can also analyze the market using our phone. Though it is always advisable to use your system, because we use using your system, it will help us to see the clear view of the market. But maybe you are not with your PC and you want to follow your trade. You want to follow it up back to back. What is happening in the market? You can use your phone, and you can also use your phone to analyze your market. And there are some icons that we use to analyze our market. One is our trend line. Our trend line, I think we explain more on that. Our support and resistance, our moving averages, our what is it called, Fibonacci, and the likes. So the same way we have it on system, you also have it on your phone. Now, for instance, I want to analyze Euro USD. I want to bring all those technical tools to Euro USD. I click on open chart. Now, once I click on open chart, sorry, let me delete this. Now I want to locate a good support or a good resistance for Euro USD. The first thing you will do is you change your phone to auto rotate. Like you can see, my phone is in portrait mode. You change it to auto rotate here. Once you auto rotate it, you auto rotate your phone like this. So your chart will look like this. With this now, okay, you can see okay what is happening in the market, where to place my support and where to place my resistance. I think this place is a good resistance level for me. I mean, yeah, a good resistance for me in this market. Now, how do I bring in my resistance line? Click on your phone. By your right hand side here, we have some icon that looks like the first one that is up here. It looks like a plus sign. We have F sign. We have one that looks like rectangle, triangle, and a circle. A circle. Then we also have and the light. Now, I want to bring in my support and resistance. Click on this icon that looks like a triangle, rectangle. Click on it. Then you go to plus. Then under that, once you click on it, you have vertical lines, you have horizontal lines, you have trend lines, and the likes. So you want to use your Fibonacci, you have Fibonacci, as many Elliott waves. All these are technical tools we use to analyze the market. Now I want to use I just want to place a resistance line. Just click on horizontal line. It has appeared up here. Then you click place. Just paste it. Just like copying and paste. As simple. You are seeing the line here. So this line is acting as my resistance. Now the same way I want to bring in my support. I also look for a good line. Maybe this is a good support region for me. Go to that shapes again, rectangle, triangle, and a shape. You click on it, then you click on plus again. You click on horizontal line, then you click on paste. You can move the line. You can move the line anyhow. You can move it maybe up, down. Then you can also change the colors of the line. Maybe you want to change the colors of the line. Just click on the line. You click on this icon that looks like pencil. Change the color. You can change the color here. You can change it to anything that suits you. You can change it to red. You can change it to anything. You can change it to black. That's all. Let me change it to blue. Then click on done. That's it. I've changed it to blue. It's as simple as that. So that is how to place your support and resistance. Now, how do you place your moving average? Many of moving average will still be explained. That is another technical tools we use. Moving average. So we use moving average 8, simple moving average 8, yeah, simple moving average 21, and we also use exponential moving average 55. Now, how do I place my moving average? You click on your phone, go to this F sign by your right hand side. This F sign, you click on it, you have average directional movement index, you have Bollinger Bands, you have envelopes. Now, this is moving average. This is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. You click on moving average. Now, moving average, the first one, I'm used to 21 and 55 anyway. So I'm looking for 21, 21 next. Then 21 is always simple moving average. 21, you change one to simple. Change this one to simple. All right. Then the next one, you can change the line. You can change, you can change the color. Maybe your simple moving average, you can use blue anyway. You can use any color you like using. That is it. Then you click on done. And see, is a good example of simple moving average 21. Now, moving average also tells us the direction of the market. It allows us to know what the market is actually saying. Maybe the market is buying, maybe the market is selling. Using this moving average, simple moving average 21 now. Now, I see a red line that breaks this moving average. It's an indicator that, oh, this market is about to sell. It's about to sell. Maybe I'm buying before. Once I saw this, I will change my sentiment about the market. Now, we don't rely on just one moving average. We can also use 55, like I said. We use simple moving average 8. We use simple moving average 21, and we also use exponential moving average 55. You click on that F sign again, then you click on main chart F plus. Then you go to your moving average. Then change this one to exponential. Then your period. your period, you change it to 55. Then you click on done. You can also change the color. If you want to use the color for 55 as red, then you click on done. That's it. So this is the line. This is the line. X tools we use trend line. We use trend line. Now, how do you bring in your trend line? How do you bring in okay? Now, how do you bring in your trend line? Now, your trend line, bring in your trend line, you click on this chart that looks like shape plus blah blah is circle. You click on it, now you click on this plus, sorry, you click the plus. Now our trend line we use very good. This trend line, trend line. Just pick it on this place and you can draw your trend lines to anywhere that suits you. So that is how to draw your trend line. So that is that, using technical tools on your phone. Then the last one we use is Fibonacci. Maybe you want to combine your tools using Fibonacci again. You go to that same sign, the shapes, the circle, and the rectangle. Click on it. Click on the plus sign. Then you find Fibonacci. You have Fibonacci retracement. You have Fibonacci channel and the likes. Then click on Fibonacci retracement and draw it. You can see this is my Fibonacci. Draw it, place it to anywhere that suits you. You can move it. You can also change the color. Same procedure. So that is it. I believe that is clear. So that is how to use your tools on your phone. Like boss said, it is always advisable to use your system. Using your system is very, very good to see the direction of the market. But if you don't have system, you can still trade and make money in this business. So that will be all for now. That will be all for now. Sir, Isam. Thank you, sir.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah, have you showed us about some signals, support signals?
Yeah, I've done that. How
Okay.
to place order using a support signal. I've done that.
Have you given us an example of a support signal?
Yes, I've done that.
Okay.
I've done that. How to place your take profit and how to use your stop loss. I've done that.
All right. So thank you very much. Thank
All
you
right. Now,
so much about
so,
the class. All right. So uh, that's all about how to use your empty phone on your phones and on your PC. All right. So your assignment now is going to download your empty phone, your PC, and your phone, mobile phones, customize it, link your demo accounts with it, all right, try your demo on your live account, all right, then uh, practice using a support signal. Of course, you should, if you are a new student, you should be on our signal room. All right, we have 2 month free signal room for you to make it up. So you should be on our signal room, all right, for 2 months. So you can practice with support signal on your empty for either on your phone or on your PC. All right, so you have a nice day. So then you can go to lesson 3, where we're going to talk about market structure and different orders on empty for them. I'll put more emphasis on the buy limits, sell limits, buy stop, sell stop, how to use it, when to use it, and where to use it. All right. So and also market structure, the use of time frame in viewing the market structure. All right, so we'll talk about that in our lesson 3. All right, so thank you. Go have a very nice day. All right.